Today we're coming at you with the tips and tricks video on how to keep your storage cover from pooling water using a couple old buckets and a piece of wood. Our outdoor storage cover is designed to keep your tent bag and the trailer, everything dry when you've got it stored outside. It does a great job at doing that. The problem we see, some people have mentioned, this rail sticks up, so you will get a puddle of water in here over a heavy rainstorm or overall winter when there's snow sitting on there. So a real simple way to alleviate a lot of that pooling is to just grab 2 5-gallon buckets and a piece of wood. We're gonna show you on this 12-foot trailer here. So the 2x6 that I have, you can use a 2x4 or anything, but this one is just a piece I had. It is roughly 12 feet long. Any size will work, just about the same size as the top deck of the trailer. But I'm just gonna take these 2 buckets and I'm just gonna place one near the front of the trailer, one near the rear of the trailer, and then I'm just gonna span that gap with this board. And then we will throw our storage cover over top of this, and that angle is gonna alleviate a lot of the pooling that you might see up on the top deck. So I'll grab this storage cover, we'll throw it on, and you can see what it looks like. Once we've got that cover on, we'll go ahead and tighten the side straps to wrap it around the bottom of the trailer to keep it from blowing off, and that will suck some of this excess material down. You will still get a little bit of pooling on there, but nothing near as much as you would without that. And then another tip that I like to do, I like to take the tongue and lower the tongue all the way to the ground so that we have a little bit of angle on the whole top deck as well, just alleviate even more of that pooling.